Welcome back, Sean Jedi Master. As we get off that Astros trains at spring training, they're working it up. It's not to see Josh Hader back in the Astros uniform. So today's going to be meal day. Today's Monday, the 11th of March, and this is my birthday week. So I try to do some more videos this week with some different things. So just to celebrate this week. So, today is going to be a mail day. And happy Monday. This is my spring break. Thank goodness. Because me and the kids, my students, have been looking forward to this week. So it's a chance to relax and kick back and watch some spring training baseball, as well as some college baseball and so forth, but and also organizing my baseball cards. So let's get into this. Hope everybody's doing well. So this first part is going to be some eBay pickups. This nice Jeff Bagwell Stadium Club orange. It's not numbered. Nice card. A Justin Verlander holiday variation from this year. There's an orange Astros team card. This one is numbered 41 out of 299. And then I was able to win this for pretty cheap. Alex Bregman, dark color, City Connect jersey. It's not numbered. Looking awesome there. All right. These next two, this first one came Hobby Hound. Christian, I appreciate it. I know I bought some cards off of him, and he actually put in some extra goodies here. See what we got here. Christian, I appreciate it. He's been going through some health problems. Hope you're feeling better. Here's Justin Verlander on the 2500 Career K. Here is Josh Reddick. Carlos Correa. King Tut. Kyle Tucker. Another Kyle Tucker. Jose Altuve. And then Jeff Bagwell. This is a 99 Studio. Nice card for the Hall of Famer. Let's get into here's a Jose Altuve dark color patch. It's not numbered. This is from 2019 Heritage. Picked up some Sidney Crosby. Here's an O-Pee-Chee. Here's a Upper Deck Artifacts Crosby. Sudden Death. Score. I missed those baby blues, powder blue jerseys. Season highlights. Crosby. Another season highlights Crosby. And then a Mark Prior. Not sure if I got this or what happened. This was numbered out 54 out of 150. Might be somebody interested in this. But thank you, Christian. Appreciate it. Starting up my Crosby collection. This next mail day came from Mike over at Rippin' for Rookies. He did a break of the new 2024 sets. Of course, I had the Astros. Here's Tucker here. Presley, Brown, Alvarez, Mauricio Dubon, team card, Bregman, Astros no. I know I have several of these. I plan on making some more team sets to take to the hospital. McCormick, Valdez, Chad McCormick, Stars MLB, Alvarez. There's a blue on the 89, not numbered. Verlander, Kessinger, ×4. So this is going to be a short video as I see. Mike, I appreciate it. Awesome break as usual. I know somebody in our card community group is going to do something. Not sure who this is. Mike mentioned it in the last break this last week, and not sure when that's going to happen, but we'll see how that goes. But hope you'll have a good week. This has been a good start of my week, Monday mail day, and look forward to the rest of this week. Things going on with my kids and so forth. But have a great week, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.